To store your vehicle, simply back onto the lift and press the button to raise your vehicle to the desired height. To lower your vehicle down, you must first lower the ramps. Next, raise the lift up to clear the lock. Then, pull the lock release into press and hold the hydraulic lever to lower the lift. The lift will slowly and safely lower to the desired position. Thanks to the low-profile base plate along with its high-rise platform, you can easily store almost any vehicle underneath and still have full access on 3 sides. Our single-post lift features a high-quality steel construction that exceeds industry standards. Optional extras include weight-bearing and non-weight-bearing aluminum inserts. This single-post lift system is designed to fit in almost any indoor garage and storage space and is rated for a maximum load of 6,000 pounds. We also include full installation services for this lift so you can sleep easy knowing your cars are stored safely and correctly.